Alright, so this is 7 painkillers. I just watched this video a little while ago. It was about a boy dying in a microwave when he was playing hide and seek. The first thing I thought was, how the fuck did he fit inside a microwave? Like, holy fuck. Like, I can't even fit my fucking plate of fucking lasagna in the fucking microwave. My fucking plate's like this big. How the fuck do you fit a person in a microwave? Um, and secondly, he probably won the game of hide and seek. I'm just saying, nobody probably could find him. Where the fuck is he? Oh, I don't know. They went think to check in the microwave, but I was just wondering how the fuck could you fit a person in a microwave? I mean, maybe if you like chop them up or something. The kid wasn't chopped up or anything. He was just he crammed himself in there somehow. Fuck, I don't know. I just thought I'd put a video for this because it was kind of fucked up when I looked at it. And then when they were looking for this kid, they were like, "Oh, where is he? Where is he?" And then they they finally went and looked inside the house, and then they found him in the microwave. When you're looking for somebody, when you look where they live, when where they live be the first place you look for them. I'm just saying, it makes sense to me. And even the detective or whatever he was at the beginning of the video said he didn't understand why it was how he fit in the microwave, but that's besides the point. But anyways, I thought it was kind of fucked up that he fit into a microwave somehow. I don't know how the fuck he did it, but yeah, it's surprising to me, and I I watched it and I laughed. You probably think I'm fucked up for laughing at it. The kid died. Oh, don't laugh, he died. Well, I'm not gonna say I don't give a fuck, because obviously I do. I'm not the kind of person who doesn't give a fuck about anything. But if you're dumb enough to put yourself into a microwave, obviously he had to do something to fit himself into that microwave. Somehow he got himself in there. Now, if you don't think, well, hey, I don't fit in this microwave, maybe I shouldn't be going in here, then there's obviously something fucking wrong with you. I mean, I feel bad for the kid, but fuck. That's like, that's just fucking stupid. That's like you telling a person to shoot themselves and they actually do it. They're obviously fucking stupid. There's obviously something wrong with them. Uh, yeah. So, I guess that's about it for my video. Just thought I'd put up something about this video because it was pretty fucking. I laughed pretty hard when I saw this. Yeah. Alright, so this is 7 painkillers, and that was pretty fucked up. Alright, peace.